In primetime news this evening, House Speaker bows to pressure, tenders her resignation from the post, as well as Member of Parliament for Southern Trelawney. What are the political implications of her decision to go? And police launch probe into shooting and robbery of top Integrity Commission official.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious, also here with us with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, the RJR Gleaner Communications Group, which owns this station, TVJ, says it continues to lead market share in key areas, including social media. That and more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Chizzy. And there's also sports, and Spencer Darlington has a lowdown on what's the headlines coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the Reggae girls have a crucial Olympic qualifying game at the National Stadium tomorrow. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to the resignation of House Speaker and Southern Trelawney MP Marissa Dalrymple Philibert?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail after the break.